Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. It is Template Thursday, and we are working through our basic card design in our annual catalog, page 22. And today we are working on card sketch number 14. There are 22 in our annual catalog. And if you need an annual catalog and want me to be your demonstrator, you just let me know and I can send one your way. Good morning, Wendy. Okay, so for today's card sketch, it's so fun. It's an easy peasy one, but we are going to be featuring, again, our Meant to Be scrapbooking workshop. Hey, Carrie, because I want you guys to see how these really can be great for card making. So, I like to refer to them as paper crafting workshop kits because they really just come with stickers and paper, and you can use stickers and paper and cardstock for anything, right? So all week we've been featuring that, and today is no different. So let me grab our parts and pieces. So remember, I'm just creating all of these and keeping them in a box, my pattern box, so that way I can flip through all of these sketches, and when I need some inspiration, I already have some patterns to go by. I am visual and I like to see them versus a whole bunch of little stickies with directions that I don't remember what they are, right? So here are the parts and pieces we're gonna need for today's card. We've got our base, so this is just basic white. You could use any color. It's already cut and scored for us. We've got layer number 1, which is 4 by 5 1/4. Layer number 2, which is 2.5 by 4 1/4. And a banner, and you could use any kind of banner. You could cut one yourself. The basic measurements are 1/2 inch by 3 1/4. I am using a banner die cut from our Stylish Shapes dies. This is the larger banner, but anything will work, as you'll see in my card example. So if you want to take a screenshot with today's measurements, feel free to go ahead and do that. Good morning, Ty. Okay, so let's put it together. We just need some adhesive. It's so super easy, today's card. But sometimes simple is better, right? Simple can also be very wowy. These are great for using up our designer paper, our patterned papers. And while I am putting this on, here is another commercial for our Meant to Be scrapbook workshop kit, because this paper, isn't this super cute with the pink and the bee trails? In our designer series paper pack, this paper is not included, this pink paper. It is in there in a different color, in Old Olive, which is also beautiful. But this is what I mean by that scrapbook workshop, kind of elongating our designer series paper, because it gives us even more designs in even more colors that are not included in the DSP paper pack, right? Okay, then we're gonna take layer number 2 and we're just gonna center this right in the middle here. Love these templates. They just make coming up with ideas so much easier, right? And then we're just gonna take our banner piece, add a little adhesive to that. Now for my pattern boxes, I use liquid adhesive so that they are flatter patterns, but any of these layers really could be popped up from the back to the middle to our banner with some dimensionals, right? So let me just make sure that's straight on there. And how easy is our card sketch number 14? Just simple, but beautiful, right? I think the bees just make it a little more. So here is another opportunity for you to take a quick screenshot if you want to see what that might look like. Well, I grabbed my example to share with you. So I always like to make one up for you. So here is the back side of this paper here, the same one for the center. You can see I popped that middle layer up. And then my sentiment, we belong together, comes from that same scrapbook workshop kit from the sticker sheets. So see, you can use these sticker sheets in card making as well as scrapbooking, right? Because just made an easy peasy card that I could put together, and it looks super wowy. I did pop just the sides up with some dimensionals underneath, and then the sticker part just stuck to the middle there. So card sketch number 14, we can add that to our pattern box for Template Thursday. If you missed any of our previous ones, they are all on my blog at stampinqueenbee.com, or you can find them in my YouTube Template Thursday playlist. And my YouTube is at Stampin' Queen Bee. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great Thursday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.